On this video today, I'm going to show you websites that you can use to make $100 per day easily as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. This method does not require you to make sales. Everything is beginner friendly, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the detail. The first step is that you have to come on this website, paytoreademails.com. On this website, you can be paid for reading emails, you can be paid for taking surveys. One good thing I like about this website is that your payment can be done within 24 hours. As I scroll down, you can see right here, your payment can be done within 24 hours. You can see it right here. So if you earn money on this website today, you can be paid today. Everything is done within 24 hours. Once you create your accounts and activate it, you are going to be paid $3. And you can see right here some of the surveys you can earn up to 50 cents to $1 per survey that you complete. You can see it right here. And you can see right here you are going to be paid for emails that you read on this platform. So to join the website, all that you need to do is that you have to select your gender. Once you select your gender, enter your first name, enter your email address, enter your password, confirm your password, click on sign up so that you can get access to a free account. Let me log into my account so that I'll show you step by step on how to make money on this website. So let me log in. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Now if you want to earn money for reading emails, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, paid email. Once you click on it, you can see these are emails that you can read to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different emails that you can read to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to just open all these emails so that you can be paid. For example, let me open the first one for you to see. Let me open this one right here. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this. All that you need to do is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, confirm reading this paid email. Click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to open on a new tab, and that is all. You don't need to do anything. You can see it is loading. It will open on a new tab. Once it opens, you can go back and then earn money without doing anything. Once you open it on a new tab, you can see thank you for reading this paid email message, and that is all. You don't need to do anything. Once that is done, you have been paid. You can see the amount has been added here. So all that you need to do is that you have to keep on reading the emails so that you can be paid. Apart from the emails, you can also click right here, offers. Once you click on it, there are a lot of different offers that you can complete to make money from home. So if you click on books, sometimes there are offers available, sometimes there are no offers available. You can see right now there are no offers available. So all that you need to do is that you have to click on different offers. So let's select survey offers. So once you click on it, you can see these are surveys that you can complete to make money from home. Some of the surveys you are going to be earning up to $3.50. You can see this one is 60 cents, this one is 45 cents, and there are many others. So when you scroll down, there are many surveys that you can complete to make money from home. You can see this one you're going to be earning 40 cents, this one you're going to be earning 35 cents. So all that you need to do is that you have to click on any of the surveys that you want to complete. Once you click on it, you can enter the required details and you are going to be paid. You don't need to purchase anything. Everything is free. So just click on any of the surveys that you want and then complete it so that you can be making money. You can take the surveys as many times as you want per day. Some of them do not have limit, others have limit. For example, let's click on surveys. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the surveys that have limit and the ones that do not have limit. For example, this survey right here, you can complete it as many times as you want per day. Once you complete each survey, you're going to be paid 60 cents, and you can see it is unlimited. You can complete as many as you want per day. This one right here, you are allowed to complete only 10 surveys per day. You can see it. The next one, you are allowed to complete only 1 survey per day. You can see the last one, you can complete as many surveys as you want per day. So if I were you, I would take the 60 cents so you can complete as many as you want. Once you complete the surveys, you are going to be paid. If you are able to complete 70 surveys per day, you are going to be earning $42, and that is good because there are other ways that you can also make money on this website. So all that you need to do is that you have to take the surveys. Some of the surveys will not last more than 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You can spend less time to complete a survey. You don't need to spend a lot of time completing only one survey. So if you take the time and then work on this website, you can be making money. Apart from making money with surveys, you can also invite your friends. Once you invite them, anytime they earn money on this platform, you are going to be earning a percentage of their earning. If you want to refer a friend, what you have to do is that you have to click right here more. Once you click on it, you can see refer friend. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can get your referral link, which you can use to invite many people to complete surveys on this website. Once they complete the surveys, you are going to be earning 15% of their earnings. Assuming you are able to invite 100 people to join this website, you are going to be earning a lot of money, because anytime they earn money on this website, you will be earning 15% of their earnings. So if you invite 100 people or more than 100 people, you can be making money on this website even if you do not work. So make sure you join this website so that you can be making money as a complete beginner. You don't need any skills to make money on this website. All that you need to do is that you have to sign up. Once you sign up, you can be able to complete the surveys and then invite your friends through your affiliate link so that they can also earn money on this website. Apart from this website, there are other websites that you can use to make up to $100 per day without any skills. Another website that you can use to make up to $100 per day is test.io. On this website, what you are required to do is that you have to be testing websites so that you can be paid per every test that you take. You don't need any skills to do this. All that you need to do is that you have to sign up on accounts. Once you sign up on accounts, they are going to be sending you tests via emails. Anytime you qualify for a test, you can take the test and then get paid once you complete the test that is given to you. If you want to become a tester on this website, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, become a tester. Once you click on it, they will give you all the guidelines that you have to follow so that you can become a tester on this website. For example, you can see you can work from anywhere that you want. You are going to be earning extra income, and the best part is that you can also expand your knowledge. So once you are working, you are going to gain experience. You can see you can test the latest apps. Once you test the app, you have to give your feedback and then get paid. So this is one of the easiest way that you can use to make money from home as a complete beginner. When I scroll down, let me show you how much you are going to earn per every test that you take. When you come to how much can I earn, let me click on it for you to see. You can see how much you earn will depend on the test you qualify for, the kind of bags you are able to find, and whether your findings are accepted by our customers as valid. The most lucrative bags pay up to $50. The most lucrative test cases often involve specific phones and locations. So you can see some of the tests you can be paid up to $50. It depends on the kind of test that you take and the amount of effort that you put in. So if you are able to test the product well and then find valid problems on the website, you are going to be paid up to $50 or more. Some will pay you less. It depends on what kind of test that you take. So make sure when you are testing products on this website, you give all your best so that you can be paid well. So you can see, what do I need to get started? So when I click on it, you can see you will need a PC and ideally a mobile device. So you can use your mobile phone to test and then get paid. To be paid, you will need either a PayPal account or an IBAN, so bank account. So you can be paid through your bank account or a Skrill. So you can see it right here. So they have three methods of payment that you can use to receive your money. One is PayPal, the second is bank, the third is Skrill. So any of them that you have, you can use it to receive your money on this website. Let me show you another thing. You can see how often will I get test invitation. So let me click on it. Once you click on it, how often you get test invitation depends on the device you have and the languages you can test in and other factors. Most testers will get at least 5 opportunities every day to test. So assume you are able to get 5 opportunities to test. It means if you are going to earn $50 per test, you can be earning up to $250. If you get 2 tests, you are going to be earning $100. If you get 3, you are going to be earning $150. So what you need to do is that you have to be someone who is serious and test products well, so that they can keep on inviting you to take part in tests. Once they keep on inviting you, you are going to be making a lot of money on this website. So make sure you sign up for an account. Once you sign up, you can be able to take an advantage of this website and then make money on your mobile device. So just click on become a tester. Once you click on become a tester, you can see you can create an account using your LinkedIn account or using your Google account, or you can sign up using your email address. Any of these ways that you want, you can use it to create your accounts so that you can be participating in tests and then get paid. It is very easy. It does not require any investment. So make sure you take action now so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.